What do you do when a 35,000 rupee headphone is not pro enough? You upgrade. Everyone knows focal. You know focal. I know focal. You know focal? You know focal. Everyone knows. Yeah. The Focal Spirit Professional is made specifically for professionals who like to profesh. Let's take a look at the front of the box. What we have is an image of the headphones themselves, focal, and their tagline, the spirit of sound. And at the back, you have things in French, which I do not understand, so I'm not going to read any of that. But then we have English. There we go. So it says, description of the headphones. Two matched 40mm transducers featuring Mylar, that is, and titanium composite membranes and neodymium magnet. Closed back design, memory foam ear pads and headband. Okay, that's all good stuff. So these are closed back headphones, which means they're circumaural. Impedance of these headphones is 32 ohms. And the driver size, like I said earlier, is 40mm. They're very light. They're about 280 grams, so not very heavy. Let's get to the unboxing of this. It's wrapped in this cling film again, similar to the Logitech G433. All right, so, wait, how does this work? Yo, these headphones are like man. Tight. What the hell? Oh, I'm an idiot. There we go. Okay. So, what the? It's a nice tiny little velvet nipple here that you pull. It's also a magnetic latch here, yeah. Interesting packaging. So this is very similar to what you'd find in a studio, on the walls of a studio. Sound dampening material sort of thing. Unnecessary here, focal. So. What else do we have? We have a 3.5mm cable, just with a microphone. Is it the micro? Is it? You can answer calls using this thing. Oh, because professionals do that. Well, I suppose they would. Documentation of some sort. What is this? Oh yeah, just a description of the product itself. All of that, and yes. Tells you what sort of products they do. So they're into car audio, professional audio, they do PC speakers, they do headphones, and speakers for public spaces. This is an image of a prison, if that's important. Then we have a carrying case, not a case, but a carrying bag. A carry bag, and the phone cable, not phone cable, it's a coiled cable. It's decently long, I think. Yeah, it stretches out also. And the headphones themselves. Let's take a closer look at these headphones. So they share very similar design aspects to the Spirit 1S, which is not the professional version. The Spirit 1S is the consumer grade version of the Spirit Professional. Let's see, it has an adjustable headband, goes all the way on both sides. And the texture of the headphones is a little, well, it's not very conventional. It looks like there are water droplets on it, but I think that's the texture they've gone for. Interesting choice of design. I'm going to try these headphones on and see how comfortable they are. So I'll just get these adjusted, and they're a little tight, but I'm sure that's for a reason. Since they're made for studio use, you wouldn't want any sound to leak outside. Yeah, they're a little tight though. I'm sure they'll loosen up with use, but initial try on, yeah, a little snug. Okay, this would be most useful for anyone in a studio environment. Say if you're a producer or a musician. For listening to music on a daily basis, I'm not entirely sure if this would be enjoyable because of the reference sound signature of the product. Since they're made for referral, I'm not entirely sure anyone would enjoy it as much listening to it every day. But if you're a musician, then definitely, this is what we would want to purchase. The Focal Spirit Professional is available for purchase for 45,000 rupees, and the Spirit 1S, this one here, the consumer grade, is available for 35,000. That's our overview of the Spirit Professional. For more unboxings, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just click this bole thing here that everyone's talking about. And make sure you follow us on Facebook for latest product updates. The Focal Spirit Professional!